Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're going over Granny Slumbo Gumbo, everybody. Hey, okay, everybody. I know everybody make their gumbos differently, but I made this big old pot here for my granddaughter because she wasn't feeling good, after surgery. So I went on and made her some gumbo. These kind of things just kind of cheer her up, didn't it? Oh, my goodness, it tasted so good. It was so soothing and warming, and it was really good. Well, this kind of gumbo, everybody, we're going to share with you guys coming soon. You don't have to cook this for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, or whatever. This gumbo was actually ready, everybody, in a couple of hours. Yes, I'm telling you, we have the way to do this nice and fast. And it actually really didn't take that long. You just brown your sausages and you break up your crab. The part that takes a long time is cleaning the crab and your shrimp and stuff like that. That stuff gets really tedious. Once you get your roux going and your broth going and all that stuff, you just add all the flavors together and that's it. Well, I know it was good and I have no complaints. I can't wait for you to share it with us, grandmother. All right, you guys. So follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more.